10 foods to stop Candida growth. 1. Coconut oil. Organic coconut oil contains a substance with antifungal properties known as caprylic acid. Consuming it in small doses directly combats the yeast by making small holes in their cell walls. 2. Garlic. Known around the world as nature's most powerful antibiotic, garlic is one of the best alternatives for interrupting yeast growth. Its sulfurous compounds, especially allicin, act as a natural fungicide and alter the environment that yeast needs to thrive. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Organic apple cider vinegar, which means it hasn't undergone any refining process, contains acidic compounds that directly fight fungi by altering the environment they need to develop. While there isn't enough scientific research to confirm these types of benefits, it seems to indicate that apple cider vinegar contains natural enzymes that help destroy yeast. 4. Lemons. Lemons and limes are citrus fruits and are highly recommended for changing the environment yeast need to thrive. Their alkalizing properties reduce excess acidity in the digestive system while inhibiting the growth of various types of microorganisms at the same time. Its minimal sugar content makes it harmful to both bacteria and yeast. 5. Berries. Strawberries and other types of berries are a good choice for combating a Candida infection. They're loaded with vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system. A half-cup serving contains approximately 60 mg vitamin C, in addition to vitamin A, B complex vitamins and essential minerals. 6. Ginger. The root of the ginger plant contains substances like gingerols and shogaols. These two substances possess anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties to help treat a yeast problem. While it's not the most powerful antifungal on this list, ginger is an excellent choice for helping the excretory organs detoxify the body. Its active compounds improve circulation, strengthen the immune system and improve its response to infectious microorganisms. 7. Olive oil. Considered one of the best fats for your health, olive oil is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols, two compounds that strengthen the body's natural defenses and fight yeast. 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is an anti-inflammatory and antifungal spice that works in a way similar to the caprylic acid in coconut oil for treating Candida. Its active compounds damage the cell walls of the yeast, keeping it from spreading and causing it to die. It's been successfully used against Candida, H. pylori and several other types of parasites. 9. Wild salmon. Wild salmon is one of the most valued sources of omega-3 fatty acids, making it an excellent supplement against fungal infections. Its anti-inflammatory action regulates cell activity in tissues and alters the conditions that yeast needs to thrive. 10. Cloves. Cloves contain a substance called eugenol, which possesses strong anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. The spice and its essential oil are useful against Candida infections, both internally and externally. In addition to the foods we've just mentioned, try including more probiotics, like natural yogurt or kefir, into your diet. Both are really good for you because they reinforce your body's defenses and help repopulate the natural microflora in your body. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.